Angangsa, ngasigi topic asidi general knowledge. Mamangi dasu aikoi Manipur gi oiba general knowledge mayam ama khangminakre ko. Ngasidi mamangi da yahodaba general knowledge ki question kaya ama pudana lagle. Adudi ai question do hairage naikoi answer pi bang ambrem ko. Dudi haurasiko. Number 1 da. Which national park in Manipur is known for its unique floating ability and also the natural habitat of the Sangai deer? Masidang ni saya Manipur gi karamba national park pu tahawang ambagi damak amadi Sangai gi yum oi bagi damak khangna bagi hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Kaibulamjao National Park. 2. Which rare deer species is found only in Manipur's Loktak Lake? Sida hairisa Manipur Loktak Lake khaktada phangba atangba saji makhal adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Sangai deer. Sangai se Manipur da khakta phangba saji makhal amani ko. 3. Name the Manipuri festival celebrated with colorful boat races on Towal River. Masida hanglisa Manipur gi karamba kumhai da fazaraba hi singna Towal Turel da hyang tanabage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Haikru Hidongba. 4. Name the New Year festival of the Meitei ethnicity that falls in the month of April. Masina hanglisa April gi thada taba Meitei gi chahi hobagi festival adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Chairauba. 5. Name the traditional Meitei festival which is celebrated on the second lunar day of Hyanggai. Masina hairisa Manipur gi Hyanggai thada pangthokpa Meitei gi traditional festival adugi maming hayu hairibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Ningol Chakauba. 6. Who was the first Mr. India from Manipur? Masina hanglisa Manipur gi ahanba Mr. India adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Nongthombam Maipak Singh. 7. When was the Manipur Sahitya Parishad established? Masina hanglisa Manipur Sahitya Parishad se karamba matamda hawdokhibage hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is 1935. 8. Name the first daily newspaper of Manipur. Masina hanglisa Manipur gi ahanba daily newspaper adugi maming hayu hairibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Dainik Manipur Patrika. 9. What does AMWJU stand for? Masida hairisa AMWJU gi full form adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is All Manipur Working Journalists Union. 10. Name the highest mud dam in the world. Masina hanglise malemgi oina khwaidagi wangba mud dam adugi maming hayu hairibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Singda Dam. Elevenda, when is Nupilal Day observed in Manipur? Masina hanglise Manipur da Nupilal Day je karamba nubita pangthokpage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is December 12th. 12th, when was Kaibulamjao declared as a national park? Masina hangliba se Kaibulamjao se karamba matamda national park ni haina lauthokhibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is February 1977. Matinda, name the largest wildlife sanctuary in Manipur. Masina hanglise Manipur gi oina khwaidagi chawba wildlife sanctuary adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Jiri Makru Wildlife Sanctuary. 14. In which district of Manipur can we find the Juko lily? Masina hanglise Manipur gi karamba district ta Juko lily se phangbage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Senapati district. 15. Name the great festival of Kabui Nagas which is performed every year. Masina hanglise Kabui Naga singna sahi khudingi khwaidagi chawna pangthokpa kumbai adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Gangai. 16. Name the biggest masjid of Manipur. Masina hanglise Manipur gi khwaidagi chawba masjid adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Sadar Bazar Jame Masjid. 17. Which ancient fort located in Imphal holds significant historical and cultural importance for the people of Manipur? Masina hanglise Imphal da leiba historically amadi culturally yamna maru oiba fort adu karino hanglibani ko. Time starts. The answer is the Kangla Fort. 18. How many development blocks are there in Manipur? Masina hanglise Manipur da development blocks kaya laibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 33 blocks. 19. In which district does the Tharon Cave located? Masina harise Tharon Cave se karamba district ta leibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Tamenglong district. 20. Where is the Sangai deer found? Masina harise Sangai hairiba saji se karaida phangbage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Kaibulamjao National Park. 21. Name the author of the book Labangalata. Masin hangliba sa Labangalata hairiba lairik asibu ikiba aiba adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Khwairakpam Chauba Singh. 22. Name the writer who received Sahitya Academy Award of Manipur in 1994. Masinang libasa Manipur gi oina 1994 da Sahitya Academy Award phangkiba aiba adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Rajkumar Mani Singh. 23. In which district does the Kaibulamjao National Park located? Masina hanglisa karamba district ta Kaibulamjao National Park se laibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Bishnupur District. 24. How many recognized tribal communities are there in Manipur? Masina hanglibasa Manipur da recognized tauraba tribal communities kayam laibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 33 communities. 25. When was the historical Kangla Fort complex was finally handed back to the people of Manipur in the presence of the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh? Masinang libasa Kangla Fort complex asi Prime Minister Manmohan na Manipur gi miyam da karamba matamda amuk hana sinakibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 20 November 2004. 26. When was the Manipur Constitution Act passed? Masinang lisa, Manipur Constitution Act asi karamba matamda pass tawkibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is in the year 1947. 27. Name the trophy won by Manipur in recently concluded National Games of India. Masinang libasa, hantak taloy kiba National Game aduda Manipur na fangkiba National Trophy adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Raja Balendra Singh Trophy. 28. Who discovered Siroi Lily? Masina hanglisa, Siroi Lily se kanan ihan hana thengna kibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Frank Kingdom. 29. How many gold medals were won by Manipur in the last National Games? Masin hanglibasa, hanta hawkiba National Game aduda Manipur na gold medals kayam lawkibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 49 gold medals. 30다. In which year was the Manipur granted statehood? Masin hangliba sa statehood Manipur da karong kanda pikibage hangliba ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is 21st January 1972. 31 da. In which year did Manipur's association with the Indian took place? Masin hangli sa karamba chahida Manipur se India gi saruk amo okibage hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is in the year 1949. 32 da. In which district does the Kangkhui Cave located? Masin hangli sa Kangkhui Cave asi karamba district ta laibage hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Ukhrul district. 33 da. How many assembly constituencies are there in Manipur? Masin hairi sa Manipur da assembly constituency kya lay hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is 60. 34 da. Which jail in Manipur houses drug addicts exclusively? Masin hangli sa Manipur gi drug addicts sing khaktabu thamliba jail adu hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Sajiwa jail. 35 da. Name the two important tributaries of Imphal River. Masin hangli sa Imphal Turel gi maru oiba tributaries ani adugi maming hayu hairibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is the Iril and the Thobal River. 36 da. Who is the author of novel God of the Small Thing? Masin hangli sa God of the Small Thing hairiba novel asi iriba aiba adu kanano hangliba ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is Arundhati Roy. 37 da. Who wrote Harsa Charita? Dahil sa Harsa Charita si kanan ikibage hangliba ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is Banabhatta. 38 Rabindranath Tagore called him Desnayak. Gandhi named him Patriot of Patriots. And he was the first to call Gandhi Father of the Nation. Who was he? Masinang lista Rabindranath Tagore na Desnayak haina kauba. Gandhi na Patriot of Patriots haina mingthon ba. Amadi Gandhi bu Father of the Nation haina ihan hana kaukiba misak adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. 39 What is the capital of Manipur? Masina ang lista Manipuri capital adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Imphal. 40. The Rakta Karabir was written by whom? Masidai lista Rakta Kabir se kanana ikibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. 41. The name the poet of Dustbin Amagiwari. Masinang lisa Dustbin Amagiwari bu ikiba aiba dugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Hangjam Ibopisak Singh. 42. The name the tree which supply the bulk of railway sleeper in India. Masida harise railway track ki sleeper sembada sijanaba u adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is cell tree. 43. The how many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? Masidai risa Indian Constitution the fundamental rights kya lay hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is 6. Taruk lay ko. Makoy sing adudi 1. The right to equality. 2. The right to freedom. 3. The right against exploitation. 4. The right to freedom of religion. 5. The cultural and education rights. 6. The right to constitution remedies. 44. The on which date World Ozone Day is observed? Masida hairisa karamba numita World Ozone Day se pangthokpage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 16 September. 45. The name the longest river in the world. Masida hairisa Malemda khwaidagi sangba turil adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is the Nile River. 46. The how many district councils are there in Manipur? Masida hanglisa Manipur da district councils kaya laybage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 6 district councils. What does CIET stands for? Masida hairisa CIET gi long form adu hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Central Institute of Educational Technology. 48. Name the last ruler who occupied the throne of Manipur at Kangla. Masida hairisa Manipur gi Kangla da ikon ko na pankhiba ningthau adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Maharaj Kulachandra. 49. Name the valley that divides the hills of Manipur into the eastern hills and western hills. Masida hanglibase Manipurda eastern hills amadi western hills pu khaidokliba valley adugi maming hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is the Imphal Valley. 50. Which Maharaj of Manipur constructed the Langthabal Palace? Masda hanglibase Manipur gi Langthabal konung asibu lingkhatkiba ningthau adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Maharaj Baigal Chandra Singh. Angangsa, aikoi Manipur gi oiba general knowledge kya ama khangmina khre ko. Mathang dasu general knowledge ki oiba nungaiba topic kya pudana lak.